Welcome. Did you notice the new background?
Now they just see me look back.
Now, yesterday, because it was just me, I don't even notice the background.
Oh, really? Why?
I just, you know they're sweet if now only one person. Especially if, as I mean, like all these kind days, they will be saying maybe like Tori Wednesday or like late back Friday or something. But that way, story complex. They complex say they talk too much.
Yeah, they happen. That feeling.
You understand? They complex say you they talk too much. Like say they talk too much. Only you can they feel like say you boring.
No, it happen. Because crowd no can even decide.
So I just want to make it finish. They are not really to notice. But this morning I noticed.
You notice the.
I noticed the change.
They give us flour.
They give us bicycle.
Get flour by the side for my back here bicycle. That's say we go. Ship the bicycle come this side though.
They want more
show.
they stand. You know what?
No, you star.
We sit down.
Stand up comedy. What you want?
Standing is our choice.
No. On the day we decide to stand.
We stand.
We stand on it.
But you cannot impose it on us.
Baba Beji. No, Baba Beji, it cannot work. Sorry, could work. Anyway, now welcome. Sorry for tomorrow for yesterday disappearance. And in this life things they happen, and you just got to
make hay while the sun shines.
Make hay while the sun shines. Yeah. All right. So basically, that was it.
Talking about making hay while the sun shines, we go soon enter a back period. I remember when we do Happy New Year. I always talk this thing. Say time no they wait for anybody. Rich man and poor man at the same time when I get. Waiting you carry your time do. Now you determine how it go be for you. It's not really a respect of anybody. You cannot say because you are rich, let's Tuesday now pause for another extra 24 hours. It's not possible.
And then if you add hours join that 24.
It's not possible.
So just do it while you can, all right?
Okay.
So anyway, more wrong over break. By the time we come back, before they break my ear, we break. All right, they come back right now. No go anywhere. My name is Agbolo, and she, the Mayolistic Mayowa. We's coming back. Oh God!
If you see emails where people they send.
See, they say people for this see. You know until we before we read everything, we not be judges of
character or.
That's fine this morning. We not be judges. I'm feeling myself.
My leg come black.
You?
See now.
They never
wear hose.
With the new this, they never get the new light thing of the whole thing. You understand? That would still light it up. You understand? Maybe they'll put lights for ground.
Let me endure it.
If that's how we're going to do that, they'll put lights for ground, then make we just take chime.
Because it can't be like say we black for leg, yellow for face.
Yes. I mean, I can't be like me, I can't be like darkness. You can wear black, I can't dark join the whole thing, But anyway, when nobody say we judge people, but really, I want to talk one very important thing. That's why people got to know your actions before you make some kind of moves. Make sure say you think them well. You understand? The pros and the cons. The effects. And everything.
And the after effects.
If I do okay, this might be the repercussion. If I not do this might be the... So, because...
That's why they're good to settle down to do something. Because you have to think of all the repercussions of everything. Because you're an adult, you go there responsible. See, you go there responsible for your actions. So you know if you do something where they punish another person.
Most people know when when they don't cast. When the whole thing don't cast. So please, before we even have to read anything, make we just tell people this thing. From now to your life continue. They really don't just jump enter anything anyhow. Before we can cast you. Yeah, my wife. Today we'll get when do you call them?
Tori Wednesday.
Tori Wednesday.
Plenty emails where people they send us. All right, I'm going to start with my own first set of emails.
Bang bang bang.
What we go treat today, gang, as is a gang moment.
Gang.
Hello, Mayawa and Ogbolo. I need your advice, please. My parents want me to marry a man that already has 5 wives because he get money and he go fit take care of my family. Now, I don't even imagine myself to share boyfriend. Talk more of to be second wife. Talk more of to be wife number 6. At one time, my parents say I no go fit. I tell anybody say I know they do. But my parents say they go disown me if I dare to refuse. Now, I am torn. I can't think straight. I don't know. What should I do? What should you do?
Who only help?
What should you do?
Who only help?
Okay, now.
Be disowned.
Okay.
No, if not me, if not me. I don't know. Just like they trade me. When I want to use me take...
For the betterment of...
not be love with that one.
Yes,
now. Never already disown me with that.
Yes.
When we don't leave anything.
Yes, I agree.
The fact that you can carry me join 5. You now carry me join to be number 6, just so that you just do okay. That's selfish.
That's selfish.
Height of selfishness.
That's selfish.
So if that one disown me because you don't already disown me by already making that choice for me, I don't agree. Are they wrong?
Some of them will even some of the parents will even come and tell you that why you no go fit make the sacrifice for your brothers.
For waiting.
Make them go school. You know, say this man go train them go school. There's only one question why they ask this kind of parents. What were you doing in your time of youth? What do they do?
When that man they make the money when I want carry the pikin go meet, what do they do it now on time? Now
If you know say you know if take care of plenty children, why you born plenty? Let's be realistic. Later you can't say make your wife.
Make your pikin now. Come go solve the situation for your. Come on, what's wrong to you?
Well, I cannot say disobey your parents. Neither can I say.
My have some issue that day you go disobey.
See, the thing be say I cannot say disobey. Neither can I say be unhappy for the rest of your life. But I will tell you what me I will do. If it's me, Mayowa.
Who only help? This is everybody. Wait.
You want to disown me? Okay.
Well,
because
we just say let us silence. See my form here. Can be
Mommy, I don't want to disown you, but since you have disowned me,
then,
okay.
Then we just dismother ourselves. Or dismother ourselves. Or disparent you too. Because no, some kind no lie. Some parents say that they gawk.
Yes.
Some
this
parents
is greed on the part of the parents, as far as we are concerned.
Waiting. Well, as the person that you are, say you send this message, it means you be adult. You don't reach where if you make some decisions for your own self.
You can make it for them to even want to give you out in marriage. That means you can make a decision. So I mean, the ball is now in your court, but we have told you what we will do. We as a personal person, we have told you what we will do.
Look, say, okay,
you know the kind of problem where she go meet with 5 other women.
With 5 other women. If Lana she can't die. Based on jealousy from maybe 1 or 2. As Yahweh will just come now, they want the jealous and all that.
I can't.
Because so you have already disowned that from making the decision. Yeah. My sister, the spirit there too. You carry your life, go on. I mean, she should not even share boyfriend. Talking of husband with 5 wives.
5 wives.
That's what World War 7 that's about to take place. Anyway, for my own gist this morning, this is something I'm totally against. That's why they do. All right. I met this guy who is crazy about me, and I think I am too.
Okay, you think? Emphasis on I think.
I think I am too. Well, okay, crazy about, crazy. Not be like, just crazy about me, then I think I'm crazy about him too.
Okay.
A few weeks later, I met his friend at the mall when I traveled to Abuja. Okay. And we started talking. I knew he was my guy's friend from pictures I had seen on his phone. Okay. But I didn't say anything. We had a thing. I didn't say anything. Or did I line that one? No. We had a thing when I was in Abuja. We had a thing. Now it's in.
They had a thing, Nani. There was an attraction. Let me explain the thing. Is your guy's friend.
Yes.
If he don't know you, but you know him because you don't see him picture. But you not talk anything.
Yes.
The guy see babe, he tossed him, he yarn with him, and then you had a thing.
A thing. So this thing now,
clearly.
Okay.
Continue, we go find out. Continue.
We had a thing when I was in Abuja, and I kind of liked him. Maybe himself,
Oh, yeah.
I'm going back to Lagos in a few days, and I'm confused. Oh, you had a thing.
You had a thing.
You had a thing. Because if not you like about it, will confuse you. You understand? But once you have a thing,
your confusion is directly proportional to the effect of the thing.
Exactly. So I'm going back to Lagos in a few days. I'm confused. Should I tell my guy what happened, or should what happened in Abuja stay in Abuja? So
now, do you have an idea of the thing they had? Yes. Because if it's not that there was an entering and going out of something,
confusion will not set place.
No, you will not even be thinking whether to tell your guy or not. Because in the first place, if there was nothing, I said, oh, I met your friend at the mall. But there is a thing. So, how will you tell your guy that, Auntie, I will tell you something.
You don't finish.
We cannot help you. You know why we cannot help you?
You don't cast yourself already.
Now you won't do one. Like I said, see, cheating is a choice.
Yes, now. Then they use juju for person. They use I enter the thing.
Cheating is a choice. If you cheat on whether your boyfriend or your father or your husband or your spouse or your whatever,
or your girlfriend,
anything where you cheat on top, now your choice.
Yes.
So, Auntie, you carry your leg, then hang them like hanger. You can't they ask us what you want to do. I think you want me to slap you now. That's true now.
Chandelier.
Then do you thank you. So this one is disqualified because you yourself, you know that what you do.
But I want to talk one thing. You see, That's not the reason why. See, why people need to be very careful. See, like for women, most time I tell women, I say, look, oh, guys, guys, our own way and women way they different most times. Women, attraction if you start something. One small, oh, I like the way he smile, if you start something.
Yeah.
I like the way he talk, if you start something. I like the way, but men not to be like that. Men, they don't see you like this beam, I like him. Then if they, at that spot they feel like you, at that spot they don't feel like you. But women, I want more things. You see the guy not even fine. But maybe because the guys are being young, are being rap.
Yeah.
Now, that's the reason why women need to be very careful. Because you are on the emotional side, to attraction. So you need to be careful. You see your guy friend.
You know, say na your
guy friend.
And you know, say guys go always everly sit down, talk about their escapades.
My dear, oh, when your G's come out final. See, that's the reason you just need to be careful. You know, say that your guy friend, if you just throw, for just say, oh, how fun, no, just go, and we got talking. That we started talking.
We started talking.
You will have
and
not started talking.
And I kind of like him. You know, I kind of like him.
So,
You get swag where your guy no get, abi? Swagoo.
Damn.
One email where they sent for me for that my early morning thing when I do for TV. This guy was married 3 weeks to their wedding. You know, as they can't travel, they went to another state. This another state where they go so.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now give me. I get one guy with the ginger. I get babes.
Yes.
No be said to do anything, but just call the babes. Make a party.
Yes.
Now he can't call one of his friends. I beg, help me send pictures of your friends. Now now those ones where we say anytime.
Yeah, those
they go just they ready
available.
to go. My brother. Now he then send 5 names, 5 pictures, and 5 phone numbers. They name the picture and the person.
Oh.
My guy. 3 months already to marry girl.
Stay
inside. Now we can't say this particular girl, I like him. If friend can't ask that girl, say, I like him. Nah, she be your regular babe, or na just person where na your friend where you just want to see whether you go fit talk. Say, oh, this one,
regular.
Together, they do the parole, make she no worry. Now my guy say, hey.
Oh, 3 months.
Hey. 3 months to wed, 3 weeks.
3 weeks
3 weeks to wedding. My guest still they pump up and down. These things.
Decide what you want in this life. But to answer your question, my sister, should you tell your boyfriend or not?
Okay, you want to give an answer?
Confession. Because if like this, I don't even know where to take that. But she knows say this thing they happen.
I know.
But
happen. See, I for even fit talk to them. Assuming she tell me, say, Mayowa, I don't know how it happened. I don't know what came over me.
I hate to hear that thing.
Wait, make I tell you something. Hold on. I didn't make one point.
No, don't ever say that thing.
No, wait. I didn't make one point. Hold on, make I make one point.
You slip and fall?
Hold on, make I make one point. I don't know how it happened. I still fit talk, say, auntie, why they talk like this. But this one, she did very, very aware. She know. So what she they do, no, they all right. She can't do and finish. Can't they ask us? Say what she go do.
Just in case you are in this kind of predicament and you don't find out, say, well, for me, because now confusion they hear, say they come back, but that makes you yarn her bobo or not. Well, tell them. Tell them. If he stay with you, if he not stay with you,
Hi, baby.
Anyhow,
I met your friend in Abuja
yes,
and we had a thing.
Baby, and it was, I'm sorry about it, I'm very, very sorry. Yes, but...
No, she's not sorry because she liked it. That's what she said.
But she's confused.
She said it. She liked it. She's not not as if she's sorry.
That's my own advice. So my own advice to you be that. Tell him, you understand? Man will go stay, go stay. If you not feel bear and you go waka, but just don't say use your hand. But if you go keep him, the thing go cost. If you go lock up, it go shock you. The boy will come back to Lagos. Come go to tell your guy.
Say, oh, you go call your house, can't give you your juice. Once you can't come out with drink.
Because not be the guy where
Nollywood style.
For Abuja, big. It go worse pass if you confess by yourself. That's my advice.
Moving on from this matter.
Break. Let's go on a break before Auntie come and use her own to destroy my mood. Thank you very much.
I kind of like it. We had a thing.
Oh, God. See, some things they will say, you go to thank God, say you get as problem. You understand? Then thank God, say, God, thank you for this problem what I get. Because some people, they even find one and don't see.
Yes, so they don't
you can't
see.
get 3.
You just be like, Tommy, Tommy, that head of stations we've been there for Port Harcourt that year, Abuja. You know, so na triplet in get.
Okay.
Na triplet. Anytime when the wife put them up for Instagram like this, hey, you go because you can't arrange 3 of them. She they feed this one. Before she put this one don't carry hand. Chook inside the food where they give her. You go come out before she finish that one don't turn the food upside down.
But something that good problem. Something that very you go thank God, say God, thank you, Simon, get you know the scatter house. You know, maybe because some people, they find they want to even scatter the house. One more story.
Yes, one more story. All right, my Ogbolo, as my paddies, please help me. I'm a widow with 2 children in primary school. It's been hard taking care of my kids because I wasn't working before the death of my husband. But eventually, I found a job that is enough to take care of me and my children. But the issue where they now be say she dey always leave the children, go work for morning, and doesn't come back till evening. So she doesn't get to spend enough time with her children, and it make her feel bad. Because the reason why she know they work in the first place was because she wanted to have time for those children till they get to a certain age. She can't say now the issue where they be say she doesn't want them to grow up not being close to her as a parent, and she don't want to make them grow up wayward or anything like that. So now the issue where they did now be that.
This one will be family upbringing, you know. This one, we say different people go join hand, help and train the children.
Yes.
No? Because this one, you know, if you do them alone,
You
it's
can't
not
do it alone.
not be one man battle.
And you need to take care of them.
Yes.
So you need the money. You need
and
the job.
Now to find balance between that job and even family. If you get one family person or you know the other, if you help you, you know, because you don't get how. No matter how you talk, say you want to train children, make them no come out for. Who you go train, we go good, go good. Who you go train, we go still cast. But at the end of the day, God the help person they train children. But I feel saying now what you go need, you know, help with. Probably family not a friend or something. We're going to help you. Then make best use of your weekends.
Yes.
Now go talk,
yes.
You understand? Make best use of your week. If during the weekdays not too day okay for you to spend good time with them, that means your weekend, you got to do things with them on the state that they can always look forward to. How many of us are parents and they sit down and they do, but you know, but try make use of your weekend, Saturday, Sunday. You know, at least Monday to Friday go work.
It will just be extra effort on your own part. Now
Yes.
you will need to extra stretch yourself.
Yes.
And if it's for the sake of your children, then it's worth it all the way.
I mean, I know person will carry phone, even give the person will come and help and take care of. So in between work, she'd always
Every
call,
now and then
give
talk to the children,
you know, the phone to the
because,
children and all that. So now effort, you know, get how. You know, go leave the job for the children. I
Not
want to
even
feed
with this
yourself.
generation, a lot of us are working class moms.
Exactly.
You know,
So just find balance, you know. Ask for help around, but make good use of your weekend to train those children. Now God will help for the remaining.
Okay, that's so now. When you do enter the wrong hand.
That's so.
That's so it be. Very, very simple. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Padi at Wazobia Padi. Follow us on top Instagram at Wazobia TV NG. YouTube.com/Wazobia TV. Look for Padi. Facebook.com/Wazobia TV. Look for Padi. Follow us individually at Mayowa Lambe at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter, at Mayowa Ekpo at Ogbolo on top Instagram, at Mayowa Ekpo at Ogbolo on top Snapchat.
Peace, y'all. See you tomorrow. God bless you. Bye.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.